Hello children, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to discuss about the world of green children. First we learn new words children. Yes, repeat with me. Shoot, shoot. Nutrients, nutrients. Fibrous, fibrous. Sufficient, sufficient. Herbs, herbs. Shrubs, shrubs. Climbers, climbers. Creepers, creepers. Please read these words and write one time in EVS HW children. Okay children, please open Studio Volume 1 books. Page number 14 children. Page number 14. First we have to today we have to complete the blanks. The dash root system has several thin roots arising from the end of the stem. The dash root system, which root system children, which root system having several thin roots? See children, here in fibrous root system they are having several root systems. Is several roots present. So fibrous root system, fibrous root system. Next, going to next one. Plants need dash water and sunlight to make their own food. Plants need air, soil, water and sunlight to make food. Okay. Sun, air and soil. Next, in next page, page number 15 children. Yes, the part of a plant that grows above the ground is called, the part of a plant above the ground is called shoot system and below the ground is called root system children. Okay, this is shoot system. Next, plants require support to grow upright are called, okay, plants which are take help, that is wooden stick. Okay, plants like climbers take the support of wooden stick, so it is climbers. Next, match the following children. Climber, money plant is the example of climber, so you have to draw like this. Next, creeper, pumpkin is the example of this creeper. Okay, next, herb, herb children, herb, mint is the example of this herb. Next, tree, tree. Neem, neem is the example of this tree. Shrub, rose, rose is the example of shrub children. Okay, you have to complete this. I will share a picture in Google Classroom. Okay children. Next, going to companion books. Please open companion books children. Please open companion books. Open companion books. Page number 1. Page number 1 children. Okay, here one picture is given children. Here one picture is given. We have to classify, we have to sort those numbers, those trees, those plants are either herbs, shrubs, creepers and climbers or trees. Okay, we have to sort them. Okay children, here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 9 and 10 children. Okay children, first we have to classify which are herbs and which are shrubs, which are trees, which are climbers, which are creepers children. First, herbs, herbs, 5, 7 and 8. 5, 7 and 8 are the Examples of shrubs of herbs, children. Next, going to shrubs 3 and 6. Going to shrubs 3 and 6. The 3 and 6. Next, trees, children. Next one, trees. 1 and 9 are the trees. 1 and 9 are the trees. Next, climbers. Climbers. Which are climbers, children? Yes, 2 and 4, children. 2 and 4. See, 2 and 4 are the climbers. Next, 10. 10 is the creeper. Okay, children, you have to write like this. 5, 7, 8 are the herbs. 3, 6 are the shrubs. 1, 9 are the trees. 2, 4 are climbers. 10 is creepers. Next, here 3 questions are given, children. 3 questions are given. Write one feature that helped you sort the following plants. One is done for you. Okay, we have to sort these plants. Okay, based on their features. We have to write those features, children. Plant number, plant type and feature. One is done for us. First one, tree. Which type of plant, children? One is a tree. So tree. Next, features of trees are has thick, strong, woody stem. Okay. Next, going to 6. 6 is a shrub, children. Shrub. Which type of plant? Shrub. Features of this shrub is bigger than herbs, bushy, hard, woody stem. Is it right? Already we have discussed this topic, children. Please refer once page number 9 in studio. Page number 9 in studio, children. Okay, please refer this picture. Please refer these words. Okay, children. Next, going to 8. 8 is a herb. Is it right? 8 is a herb, children. Herb. Features of this herb is short plants with thin green stem. Short plants with thin green stem. Is it right? Herbs, for example, grass. If you take grass having a green stem and those are short plants. Next, going to 10. Next, 10. What is 10? Creeper. Creeper, children. Creeper features a weak stem that creeps on the ground. Is it right? Every creeper creeps on the ground. Okay, these are the features, children. Next question. Write one common feature between plant 2 and plant 9 shown in figure A. Okay, plant 2 and plant 9, children. Plant 2 is climber and plant 9 is trees. Okay, is there any common feature, children? Yes, every plant having a common feature, that is stem and leaves. Stem and leaves. Every plant having stem and leaves. Okay, children. So both the plants have the same basic parts, stem and leaves. Next, going to third one. Can plant 2 and plant 9 be classified as the same plant type? Why? Okay, can we classify 2 and 9 as same plants, children? No, because 9 is a tree, 2 is a climber. So we do not classify as the same plants. No, because 9 is a tree and these trees having a wooden and strong stem. Is it right? Wooden and strong stem. But 2 is a creeper. 2 is a creeper. It has a weak stem, children. Weak stem. So it needs support. Okay, it needs support. See, children, no, they cannot be classified as the same plant type because plant 9 is a tree which has a thick woody stem and plant 2 is a climber which has a weak stem and needs support to ground. Okay children, this is our answer. Next, in page number 3, open page number 3 children. Take a green oath in your class. You can cut and paste this oath in your house. Okay. See children, here one letter is given. All around in gardens and trees, many plants grow, pretty and green. Is it right? In our surroundings, we see many plants and gardens and streets. Okay, many plants grow pretty and green. Is it right? Every plant grows in green and pretty also. Those are very pretty. Is it right? Yes. They give us food. Is it right children? They give us food and shelter also children. And they give us shelter also. What can we do to help them better? What we have to do children? Yes, we have to give more love and care. More love and care. And we do not do any harm. Okay, we do not do any harm for these plants. And we have, let's take a vow. Okay children, signature. Write your name here. And next, here one badge is given children. You have to cut this badge and paste on the chart. Okay, and pin it proudly. Is it right children? Okay, we all love the plants. I love the plants. We all love the plants. That is a good thing children. Okay, this is today's class children. Please read those new words. Okay children, thank you all. Thank you everyone.